Hi, in this video I will show you how to reset filter cycle on the Dyson Air Purifier using Dyson Link app. In the app main screen, go to your machine settings and scroll down, and there you can see the percentage of the HEPA filter and carbon filter, and there you need to go to the filter management, and there you can reset filter life. Okay, and as you can see, the remaining filter life is 100%. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.